Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix DirectX 12 is not supported error in Frostpunk 2, or whether the reason could be also in the Frostpunk in 1, right? So how you can fix this issue? So very first thing is that you have to update your DirectX, download the latest version, right? And from where we can do this, we can do this. For example, just go to Google and search for download DirectX. So you have to download this driver here, right? You will get this official link of Microsoft, and make sure you go to the official link of Microsoft, right? Don't click on any other link here. Now here you have to just go and click on download, select your language and click on download here. Now the setup has been downloaded. You have to just click on yes, and you have to complete the setup and you will get the latest version. Now the next thing is that don't stop here. The problem will be solved, but don't stop here. What you have to do, if you're using NVIDIA graphic card, or let's say if you're using AMD, right? Always you will have this option of AMD experience, or if you're using NVIDIA, then you will get this GeForce experience. Double click and open it up. Once you open it up, it will show up like this. And let's say I will just go to the driver section. Okay, let me show you minimize here. So we have to go to the driver section and it will available here. Now go and click on check for update, right? And it's already available, so I have to just go and click on download. And once download, it will fix all the bugs and everything. And so make sure you download, and automatically it will install it depending upon what graphic card you're using, right? So this is it guys. Make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel.